it's your girl only Aaliyah, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't be shy and hit that subscribe, and if you're cool, hit the like button too. So I am in New York. I have made it here. We've been here for a few hours now. I wanted to get ready, as you can see it. I know you can see it, but yeah, we finna head out. Obviously wouldn't beat this face for nothing. So yeah, so I found this really, well, okay, y'all probably heard this, it's the Sugar Factory or whatever the case is, but I've never been. Okay, I've never been to the Sugar Factory, and I wanted to go to Sugar Factory, and so we're going to the Sugar Factory. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get there. What's up, guys? It's your girls only Aaliyah. Welcome back to my channel. So obviously today's a new day, so today's day 2 in New York. So I found some really like dope places for us to go today, so I'm super excited. My hair is also hella freaking cute. Get into it, honey. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and I'm really excited. And I think we're just doing some museums today, but the museums are gonna be dope, so let's get into it. Okay, so we're at the Color Factory, finally. Y'all see that? So cute. Isn't that so cute? So yeah, we are here now. My hair is not cooperating with them, but it's fine. So we're here, and I'm really excited. Oh, I think I'm about to get let in. So now I gotta pick a card to describe. So let's figure it out. No. Let's go to the next experience. Just finished the color museum, or the color factory is what it's called actually, and it was so much fun. So now we are about to go to this other museum, and we gotta walk, so catch y'all when we get there. Okay, y'all, so we are pretty much at Times Square at this point. We just took the subway. We're about to go see Times Square. I've never seen Times Square before at nighttime. Well, okay, so I've been to New York, but I've never seen Times Square at night. And we're about to see it! It's here! Wow! Literally just walked from Times Square over to this comedy lounge is what it's called, because we met this guy literally in Times Square. We're about to go to this comedy show. My camera might die, so yeah, there's that, but at least I told you guys, so yeah. So we just landed in Chicago. It's been a long day. Did not do an intro for the beginning of this day, but y'all will see the clips. Nonetheless, I had a blast, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will catch y'all on the flip side. See you.